Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitza Bache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today naman, ituturo ko kayo sa unit behind the elevator natin. Okay. Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, ito right now, I believe meron akong video na ganito, pero this time, I'll show you a video na 2-bedroom unit na behind the elevator, pero on the atrium level. So, kagandahan nito, so, this is the, kung nakikita ninyo yung mga buildings natin, merong mga holes, di ba? So, this is what we call the Lumivent technology. So, yung hole na yon, this is the sky patio, okay? So, for every 5 floors, meron tayong ganito na atrium level na tinatawag. May mga garden, okay? Tapos dito, meron sky patio. So, ang kagandahan, hindi mo siya mararamdaman actually na nasa higher floor ka. Currently, nasa 23rd floor ako. So, dito, may hole dito. So, we sacrifice 1, 2, 3. 3 units, and then on the other side, 3 units. So, 6 units yan per every 5 levels para for this sky patio. So, the purpose of this one is for the natural ventilation, not only on the whole building but on the whole property. Kaya pansin natin, dun sa mga ibang videos ko rin, mahangin, di ba? Mahangin talaga ang mga hallways natin. So natural ventilation ng buong building. And also, 23rd floor, makikita mo rin dito sa taas, 5 floors lang po yan. Okay, 5 floors lang siya. So hindi mo mararamdaman na nasa higher floor ka, even na kahit na mataas na level yung unit ninyo. So tara, punta na tayo dun sa unit. So for this project, meron tayong 12 elevators. So 6 dito and 6 on the other side. So nandito yung unit na yon na papakita ko sa inyo. So this is unit 2310. So currently, this is still available. So for those who are interested, nandyan yung numbers ko. You may contact me anytime. Okay? So this is unit 2310. Behind the elevator siya. So, pagpasok ninyo, ito yung mini foyer natin. Okay, so it could be a receiving area. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng mga, yung lagay ng sapatos, di ba? Yan, pwede yan dyan. And then, dito sa area na to, this is the dining area. Okay? And then, this is the kitchen area. So, for the kitchen area, again, same deliverables po tayo. Yung provision natin for range wood. And then, yung mga cabinets natin na drawer system na. Yan ang kagandahan dito sa project po na to. Okay? And then also, dito naman yung entertainment area natin. Dito, living area, entertainment area, pwede mo dito ilagay. And then, dito ngayon yung toilet and bath natin. For the toilet and bath, fittings and fixtures po, kasama na po yan. Shower enclosure na lang ang kailangan nilagay sa mga medicine cabinets and other cabinets. Okay? And then, let's go to the bedroom 2. So, for this bedroom 2, 57 square meters, medyo may kalitan ako na parang kagandahan nito. 2 bedroom siya. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung wonderful view natin dito. Okay? Now, dito tayo sa bedroom 1. Sa bedroom 1, ito yung may access kay balcony. Okay? So, dito, this can fit double bed. Kasya yan. Or queen, even queen. Kasya po yan. So, dito, dalawang door ulit pag open. And ito yung gusto ko dito sa side na to. Okay? So this unit is facing towards the city skyline. Ngayon kung makikita ninyo, nandoon si BGC area, and then Makati, and then Ortigas area. Okay? So ang kagandahan nito, so kapag hapon, city skyline view, and then also pagka New Year, nakikita niyo yung mga fireworks, diba? Ang ganda. And also not only this, syempre this project is hanggang 56 floors. So mataas din. So 360 view siya, not only here on the city skyline view, but also a view here on the mountain, Mount Sierra Mountain natin, Sierra Madre. Okay, mga mountains natin in Antipolo. Okay? Ayan. So this concludes my room tour for this type of unit. Okay, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. We can also schedule an online presentation via Zoom or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.